Why brushing your cat's teeth is important. What kind of pet do you have? You know how important it is to keep them happy and healthy. Is that true? Did you know that cats need to brush their teeth too? It's true. Yes. Let me explain why brushing your cat's teeth is so important for their health. First, let us talk about what takes place when we don't brush our cat's teeth. Plaque can form on our cat's teeth just like it does on ours when we forget to brush them. As you brush your teeth, plaque builds up and sticks to them. It can give you bad breath and gum disease. When plaque isn't taken care of, it can turn into tartar, which is even harder to get rid of. Too much tartar on our cat's teeth can cause cavities and painful illnesses in their mouth. Can't cats take care of their own teeth, you may ask? Not really, though. We can brush our teeth, but cats can't, so they need us to help them. That's why you need to brush your teeth. Plaque and tartar can hurt your cat's teeth and gums. But brushing their teeth every day can help keep them healthy. But how do you clean a cat's teeth? You might think it's hard, but it's not. To begin, you will need a toothbrush and toothpaste that are made just for cats. It's important to use the right kind of toothpaste because regular toothpaste can be bad for cats. After that, brush your cat's teeth slowly so as not to hurt them. Give your cat lots of praise and treats as you brush their teeth. It might take them a while to get used to it. If you want to keep your cat's teeth healthy, you can do more than just brush them. Plaque can be removed and teeth kept clean by giving them tooth toys and treats. Don't forget to get your cat checked out by the vet every so often. The vet can take a look at your cat's teeth and make sure everything looks good. So, should you brush your cat's teeth? Of course. You can help your cat stay healthy and happy for many years by taking care of their teeth. So why not try it? It will make your cat happy. What kind of brush should I use? Do I need some toothpaste? To make sure your cat's teeth are clean and safe, you should only use the right tools when brushing their teeth. Toothbrush. Look for a toothbrush that is made just for cats. These toothbrushes are better for your cat's gums and teeth because they have smaller heads and softer bristles. Human toothbrushes can be too rough for your cat's soft mouth, so don't use them. Toothpaste. Yes, you will need toothpaste that is made just for cats. Cats should never use toothpaste made for people because it has ingredients that are bad for them if they swallow them. There are types of toothpaste for cats, like chicken or seafood, that they like better. This might make brushing their teeth more fun for your animal friend. When choosing a toothbrush and toothpaste for your cat, you should think about what they like and whether they have any teeth problems. You might have to try a few different brands and flavors of toothpaste and toothbrushes before you find the one that works best for your cat. When you brush your cat's teeth, remember that regularity is key. To keep their teeth healthy, tell them to brush them several times a week. Also, if you have any questions or worries about how to take care of your cat's teeth, you should always talk to your vet. How often should I brush my cat's teeth? You should brush your cat's teeth at least a few times a week to keep their mouth healthy. But the number of times may change based on your cat's wants and how well they tolerate being brushed. For some cats, brushing their teeth every day may be the only way to keep the gums healthy and stop plaque from building up. Then again, if your cat really doesn't like having their teeth brushed, or if you can't do it as often, try at least a few times a week to still get some benefit. When it comes to taking care of cats' teeth, consistency is very important. Any effort you make to help them take care of their teeth is better than none at all, even if you can't do it as often as the dentist recommends. Besides brushing, giving your cat dental treats and things that are made to improve dental health can also help keep its teeth clean between brushings. As for how often you should brush your cat's teeth, or if you have any other questions about their oral health, don't be afraid to ask your vet. They can give you specific advice based on your cat's age, breed, general health, and any dental problems it may already have. How do I get my cat used to having her teeth brushed? It might take some time and patience to get your cat used to having its teeth brushed, but most cats can learn to handle it with the right method. Here are some ideas to help you teach your cat how to brush its teeth. 1. Start slowly. Give your cat the toothbrush and toothpaste little by little. Before you try to brush your cat's teeth, let them feel and play with the toothbrush and toothpaste on their own. 2. Use positive reinforcement. To connect brushing your cat's teeth with good things by giving them treats, praise, or playing before, during, and after each session. This helps your cat associate toothbrushing with good things and makes it more likely to cooperate. 3. Getting to know. Before you try to brush your cat's teeth, touch their lips, gums, and teeth gently with your fingers to get them used to the feeling. This makes your cat less sensitive to having their mouth touched, and gets them ready for having their teeth brushed. 4. Use toothpaste that tastes good. Pick a toothpaste that tastes like something your cat likes, like chicken or fish. To make the experience more fun, let your cat taste the toothpaste before putting it on the toothbrush. 5. Steady introduction. To begin, just touch your cat's teeth and gums with the toothbrush without pressing down on them. As your cat gets used to being brushed, slowly lengthen the time and force of the brushing. 6. Wait your turn. It's normal for your cat to be wary or unwilling to let you brush its teeth at first. Be patient and take your time with them. If they start to feel stressed or anxious, don't push the problem on them. It's important to keep a calm and upbeat attitude while you brush your teeth. 7. Be consistent. Make brushing your teeth a regular habit and don't change it. Being consistent is important if you want your cat to get used to having its teeth brushed over time. 8. Get help from a professional. Talk to your vet if you're having trouble getting your cat used to brushing its teeth, or if you have any worries about their dental health. They can give you personalized advice and might also be able to give you or your cat extra tips or techniques that will make brushing teeth easier. If you follow these tips and are patient and determined, you can help your cat get used to brushing its teeth and set up a good dental care routine that will benefit its health and well-being in the long run. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.